Actually. And first of all, I want to express my heartfelt thank you sa lahat sa inyo na pumunta dito, for celebrating my birthday. Alam ko medyo July pero still, this really means a lot to me na nandito po kayo, and also with my family, my friends, yung choreographer ko, sila Joe dancers, ayan, sila Gan, si Kaki, si DJ, sila ko yung team ko talaga kami and kayo po nag-support sa akin, maraming salamat talaga kasi without you guys, kaya nag-inspire sa akin. So, ayun, thank you for I've been starting this music business siguro 4 years na sa showbiz, mga 3 years pa lang ako. And I want to give back sa Naibayani Foundation ko kasi I have this foundation that I'm helping. That's my own little way of giving back kasi yung tatay ko din, sundalo, hindi ako naging sundalo kasi ayoko. So, talaga ito, sabi ko, paano ko kaya matutulungan? How can I help in my own way? Na hindi ako masasaktan. So, but since I'm a singer, I'm a performer, and I guess ako siguro marami din nag-look up sa akin ng mga kabataan, and I inspire them siguro in a way. So, when I planned with my family, with my mom and everyone, to build up this foundation to help yung mga anak sa Baler, to give inspiration, to be a kuya to them, alam mo yun, to just basically make their lives easier. Alam mo yun, so kahit na kung bakit nakatawa dyan, at least I'm helping out people in a way. So that I hope that can make a big difference, and I can give justice also sa pangalan ng father ko kasi dami siya tulungan. So sabi ko that gagawin ko din yan, pero sa sarili kong style ko, sa sarili kong gawain. So on behalf of the whole Young JV team and my family, thank you so much, and thank you for being here, and let's have a good time, guys. Thank you.